If the Albert app stopped working immediately after an update, the update itself isn't always the problem. In many cases, the app update and your phone's stored app data don't sync correctly, which causes crashes, loading errors, or features that suddenly stop working. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to get Albert working again and how to tell whether the issue is on your device or with Albert's servers. Start by force closing the Albert app and opening it again. An app can get stuck while loading new files after an update, and a fresh launch often fixes temporary glitches. Next, check your App Store to make sure you're actually running the latest version. Developers sometimes release a follow-up update shortly after the first one to fix bugs that users report after launch. If the app still isn't working, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes that may be interfering with the updated app. Another step is to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network issue. If Albert works on one connection but not the other, the problem is likely network-related rather than caused by the update. If you're using Android, clear the Albert app cache from your phone settings. Corrupted cache files can conflict with newly installed app files after an update. If clearing the cache doesn't help, you can also clear app data. But remember that you may need to sign in again afterward. If you're using an iPhone, there isn't a separate cache clearing option. Instead, delete the Albert app, restart your iPhone, and reinstall the latest version from the App Store. This replaces any damaged app files with a clean installation. You should also check whether Albert is experiencing a service outage. If many users are reporting login problems, account syncing issues, or crashes after the latest update, the only solution may be waiting for Albert to release another fix. If the app opens but certain features aren't working, verify that your phone's operating system is up to date. New app versions sometimes require newer system software to function correctly. If nothing changes, contact Albert support and include your device model, operating system version, app version, and a description of what happens after the update. That information helps the support team identify whether you're experiencing a known issue. To recap, restart the app and your phone, install any newer updates, check your internet connection, clear cache data, or reinstall the app, and verify whether Albert is experiencing a temporary outage. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Albert troubleshooting guides, and check out our other app fix tutorials.